Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious chop suey with chicken and shrimp. This is another Asian recipe from Dash of Spices. This is a very quick and easy, healthy and delicious Asian recipe. Now let's get started. All of the ingredients are listed down below in the description box. I bought all of the ingredients at Fry's Food Supermarket. This is not sponsored by Fry's. I just want to let you know that this is available at your local grocery store. Also, this cost me approximately $20. Now let's start cooking. Using a wok or a large skillet, heat up about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I used olive oil. You can use any oil, whichever you prefer. I'm going to cook the shrimp first. Cook the shrimp each side about 2 minutes or until the color is changed. When the shrimp is done, place it in a bowl and set it aside. Using the same oil, we're going to cook the chicken. Make sure that the chicken are fully cooked. I'm cooking this on high to medium heat. Add more oil if necessary. Just cover this for 3 minutes. After that, continue stir frying the chicken until it is fully cooked. Now when the chicken is ready, just move that over to the side. This is the best way when you use a wok. You could just move some ingredients on the side. And now I add that onions and garlic, and I mix and stir fry until the garlic and onions are lightly brown. Now I'm adding the green and red bell pepper. You could cut the ingredients whichever you prefer. I like mine into a bite size. Now add the carrots and green beans. Also the chayote. As you can see, I cooked the vegetable that will take a long time to cook first. I'm adjusting the heat medium to low heat. Just take your time. You don't want to overcook. You don't want to rush the vegetable because you want to maintain the color and the crispiness. You don't want it to be saggy. That's the technique of the chop suey, is to have a good texture of the vegetable. Now I'm using 1 cup of water plus 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon powder. If you don't want to use this, you're welcome to use a chicken stock. Now add the cauliflower, broccoli, and snow peas. Now just mix all the ingredients together. Slowly mix them together until combined. You don't want to let the vegetable set on the broth, so make sure you move that around to keep its crispiness. Now I'm adding garlic, salt, and black pepper. That's the only spices I use on this recipe. Add soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. This is really up to you. You could adjust this later on. And now slowly mix them together. Mix until well combined. The secret of a best chop suey is the vegetable, the crispiness of the vegetable. Taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Now I'm using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and I'm using the broth from that vegetable, and just mixed it. Make sure that the cornstarch is dissolved, fully dissolved, and just pour it over to the vegetables, just like that. Now I'm adding the last vegetable, which is the Napa cabbage, also the baby corn, and the water chestnuts. Now slowly mix them together. Don't forget the green onions and the cooked shrimp. Now I'm just gonna slowly mix everything together until combined. This is the last part of this recipe. This is a very quick and easy, healthy recipe. Everybody could do it. You guys should be able to do it. Again, all ingredients are available at your local food market, food grocery store. And serve this right away. That's the best way to eat this type of dish, is while it is nice and hot. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up and please share this recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please kindly click that subscribe button. If you want to see more of us, click that bell button so you get notified if we have a new video. Again, thank you everyone for coming by. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for supporting our channel. Until next time, we hope to see you again here. Ciao!